Hello viewer, how to fix incoming call problem on your mobile phone app or your messenger app or your WhatsApp app. Let's see the solution. Open your phone setting, scroll down, go to general management. Now scroll down and tap on reset. Now scroll down and go to reset mobile network setting. Now reset your mobile network setting. It fixes your incoming call problem. Now go back to your setting. Now go to apps. Now search phone app. Go to your phone app. Scroll down and click on storage. Now from the lower corner, clear cache data from your phone app. Now go back, tap and hold on 3 lines. Now enable show system app. Now click OK and now search carrier. Tap on carrier. Now go to storage. Now clear cache data from carrier communication. It helps you to fix incoming call problem. Now go back to your setting. Search do not disturb. Go to do not disturb. And from here, make sure your do not disturb mode is disabled, because do not disturb mode mutes all calls, notification and others alert.